So, how did you get to know about PGDBA?
Sir, actually, I worked at a core company, namely Rani and SK String Systems, and during there I did a project in QC. And when it got promoted, at that time, one IIT professor came as a judge. So he recommended me that since you have done such a good project, so you should look at this PGDBA course. They are providing very good insights to analytics, and that would be suitable for you. So from that point of time, I came to know about this PGDBA course. And a simple Google search, sir, rendered me this is very prestigious course, first in Asia, overall sixth. So I was inclined towards it.
Got it. Where did you start from, and like how did you get to know about UTED?
Yeah. So sir, I came to know about this around November, and at that point of time it was predominant knowledge that in December the course notification will commence, and in Feb there will be exam. And when I did my own research, I came to know that 2 or 3 months rigorous practice of maths and all will be okay for a cat aspirant, since during our cat preparation we already do LRDI and all. So around December onwards, I started preparing for it. But due to this COVID situation, we got bonus time of 4 months. So I can say they only worked in my favor.
Right, right.
When I cleared the exam,
Okay.
so at that point of time, I had so many doubts that what will they be asking in my interview? How am I supposed to present myself? So at that phase of time, tutor really helped me. In fact, you
Got it.
sir, you gave a very one good tip that you should always, keep in mind you should have a learning attitude. That is the most prominent tip you gave me, and that has helped me a lot.
So, what is your tip like to the aspirants who are preparing, who have just started preparing for PGDBA for next year?
Sir, the main tip from my side would be that number one, if you are aiming for this PGDBA course, you should definitely have a why. That why you want to join PGDBA. What is in PGDBA that you think is suitable for you, and what is there in you that you think will be suitable for PGDBA course. So that's one point of thing that you should keep in mind as an aspirant, and during the interview only, they will definitely grill you on that.
Good point, Shivam. So, Shivam,
Mm.
that was it. So, this is what we wanted to understand from your side, and all the best for your PGDBA journey that you're going to start this month. And hope we could help in your journey and made this a bit easier for you to crack it.
Definitely, sir. I'll like to add that 40% of it is due to that interview only. Sir, you really changed my attitude towards it. Previously, I was also like
Glad to
that
hear
this
that.
is so prestigious course and all, but it's always about the learning. You should have that learning attitude, and that is what will be, giving you a good outcome, helping you a lot.